Hello and welcome to WanderOrbit, your passport to breathtaking places around the world. Today, we're heading deep into the lush landscapes of southern India, where nature and engineering come together in perfect harmony. This is the story of the Chiklihole Dam, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Karnataka, India. From serene backwaters to panoramic hillscapes, this destination offers more than just a dam, it offers an unforgettable experience. And hey, if you love discovering hidden wonders like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share WanderOrbit. Nestled in the Coorg district of Karnataka, Chiklihole Dam is located about 15 kilometers from Kushal of Coorg, and just a short drive away from the famous Tuber elephant camp. This man-made structure is built across the Chiklihole River, a tributary of the Kaveri River, one of the most sacred rivers in India. Although it's not as large or widely known as other dams in the region, what makes Chiklihole Dam truly special is its tranquil atmosphere, scenic surroundings, and the serenity it offers. Please stay to the end of this video, you will discover an exclusive drone footage. As our drone soars over the dam, you'll notice the serpentine water channels, the gentle curvature of the dam walls, and the still waters that reflect the sky like a mirror. The dam is designed as a small-scale irrigation project, aiding farmers in the nearby villages by regulating the water supply during the drier months. What's unique here is that there's no massive water gushing out, no roaring turbines, just calm waters, gentle breeze, and the sound of birds chirping in the distance. This blend of engineering and untouched beauty makes Chiklihole a must-visit for drone enthusiasts, nature lovers, photographers and travel vloggers alike. Wondering when to visit this hidden paradise? The best time is between July and December, especially right after the monsoons, when the reservoir is full and the surroundings are lush and green. Misty mornings, golden sunsets, and fog-kissed hills make this dam look like something out of a painting. And if you're lucky, you might even capture a flock of birds flying across the reservoir. Unlike the crowded tourist spots, Chiklihole offers a sense of solitude. There are no ticket counters, no loud chatter, no commercialization, just nature and you. It is an ideal place for a short picnic, a moment of reflection, or just to escape the chaos of urban life. Many visitors also combine their trip with a stop at Duper Elephant Camp or a trek in Madikeri, making this dam a great addition to any Coorg itinerary. If you're flying a drone, here's what to focus on. A top-down shot of the dam structure against the green backdrop. Slow pans across the water surface during sunrise or sunset. A fly-through along the water channel, surrounded by trees and fog. And if you can catch monsoon clouds rolling in from the hills, it's pure cinematic gold. Always make sure you're flying safely, within legal limits, and respecting local guidelines. Getting to Chiklihole Dam is relatively simple. From Bengaluru, it's about a 5-6 hour drive via Mysuru. The nearest town is Kushalnagar, and from there it's about 15 kilometers through winding country roads. There's no public transport right up to the dam, so it's best to hire a car or use your own vehicle. Parking is available near the entrance, and from there it's just a short walk to the main viewpoint.
Oh. Too good.
As we come to the end of our journey, we hope you've enjoyed this aerial drone footage to one of Karnataka's hidden marvels. Chiklihole Dam may not be on every tourist map, but that's exactly what makes it so special. If you ever find yourself in the region, don't miss the chance to breathe in this peaceful landscape, feel the mist on your face, and experience the serenity for yourself. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your fellow travelers. We've got many more offbeat adventures coming your way, only on WanderOrbit. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering.